Sometimes you rebuild and sometimes you reinvent. And stay in community, because this vacation rental community is such a unique, tight-knit circle of people. And when we went through the fire, I was so encouraged by my peers and my vendors and the support that we had for our employees, for our GoFundMe. And we showed up, Mike and I showed up at VRMA, the conference, and we were able to go and look people in the eye and say thank you for your support and get hugs, and that has continued. In being on your podcast today, I feel like there's been nothing but support from this community. So yeah, stay involved and lean on each other when you need it.